Welcome back to Battambang in Cambodia. Today we'll be getting stuck into a traditional cooking class. First though, we need to pick up some supplies from the local market.
So nice. Love it.
Black bean and jackfruit. Jackfruit.
So sweet. That's so nice.
It's a different, right? This one is a tamarind fruit.
Oh, tamarind, oh yeah.
Yeah, tamarind fruit.
Remember feeding that to the elephant?
Yeah.
See that these are the yellow one. The yellow one is made from the palm fruit.
Oh, is it?
And we have two colors. One for almond. This one is a dried paprika. For almond, for curry, yes. Oh, sorry, this one.
Having picked up some fresh fruit and veg, we head back to the restaurant to start cooking. First, we smash up some herbs and spices. The paste is then added to coconut milk and tofu to make a fragrant curry. The curries will be steamed inside boxes made from banana leaves. Next, we prepare a filling for some spring rolls. We also made a tasty mushroom dish. For dessert, we're having fresh banana cooked in coconut milk. After cooking, of course, comes the eating. Everything was delicious. Later that day, we head out to one of Battambang's biggest attractions, the Phare Circus. This fantastic project not only enables young people to tell Cambodian stories through performing arts, but it also helps to lift them out of poverty. The school in Battambang provides general education along with performing arts skills. Graduates are then paid to perform in nightly shows in both Battambang and Siem Reap. Before each show, visitors are welcome to wander around the campus to admire the artwork and to enjoy drinks and snacks in the cafe. Every dollar spent helps to keep the project running. It's not long before we head into the big top to see the show. You're about to see some of the highlights, but if you want to see the full show, you'll have to come to Cambodia. just sitting in a tuk-tuk waiting to go back into town after such an incredible show. It was so good. If you come to Battambang, you've got to come, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, must. Number one thing.
And actually, if you're not planning to come to Battambang, come to Battambang and come to this. It's just so good. They were amazing. I feel really inspired by them. Fantastic.
You start doing some breakdancing and balancing.
I think I might. I might, yeah. Take it up, yeah. Yeah, very important words. Yeah. On the way back into town, our driver was keen to share all of the Britishisms he's learnt, including all the naughty words.
We couldn't hear it well. You have to sing loud.
Yeah, you have to sing it really loud and again.
You say I'm great.
Oh yes,
yeah.
we know it. Yeah. Very good. Very nice. That's all right. Good job, mate. In our next video, we're in Battambang for one more day, riding the bamboo railway and seeing millions of bats. We hope you'll join us. Subscribe now if you haven't done so already.